Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using hashtags on Facebook Creator Studio to get more viewers. Let's get started. Hashtags are keywords or phrases that includes a pound symbol preceded by the keywords, and it is used without spaces. Hashtags can help your posts be discoverable on platforms such as Facebook. It helps make your content reach more audiences and get more views on your Facebook videos. It has a way to connect your posts to a theme, event, or a particular topic with thousands of posts that also include that hashtag as well. Facebook recognizes hashtags while you're writing your video or your post's description. It will show you a drop-down list of hashtags similar to the hashtag that you are typing. Hashtags on Facebook videos can help make your posts searchable and discoverable on Facebook. As people search for certain topics using hashtags, your video can show up on the search results. You must add hashtags in your video's description. You can use your brand's hashtag or a hashtag that is popular but relevant to your video. This way, people can see your video in the search results. Test your hashtags using your video metrics to help you determine which hashtags works best on your videos. Use hashtags that specific audiences who are interested in your video's topic will use to discover your content. Hashtags can help your brand reach a community who are posting content using that hashtag. If your content is about a certain niche, there's a possibility that there's an existing hashtag for that niche. There could be thousands or more users who are using that hashtag. You can check if that hashtag is used by people that you want to target. Hashtags can help your videos get more views. People can search for hashtags on Facebook's search bar. You can use the URL facebook.com/hashtag/topic. The topic can be any keyword or phrases that you want to use as your hashtag. It will show search results of posts with a hashtag that you have included in the URL. The posts that you will discover are from people who are interested to look for conversations around topics that they care about and interested in. Once they discover your video, you'll get more video views, not only on that one video, but they can also check out your page and browse for more videos that they can watch. Hashtags can also help increase engagement. It is best to use at least 3 or 5 hashtags on your video's description that these hashtags should be relevant to your video's topic. When people search for hashtags that match the hashtags that you have added to your video's description, you'll create an opportunity for these users who can be your customers, clients, or followers to discover your video. Since they are interested in your video, they will watch your videos, react to your videos, share your videos with their friends, and also comment or even tag their friends on your video. You can experiment using up to 10 or 15 hashtags on your video's description. Test and see what works for your videos. You can also capitalize the first letter in each word in your hashtag to make your hashtags readable and allow people not to misspell the hashtag. You can check the hashtags that your followers are using. Check and see if you can use it in one of your content. For example, hashtag Motivation Monday can be used by anyone on every first day of the week. Relate a video content with that hashtag. You will notice more engagement and video views on your content. You can also use tools online that can help you find hashtags that you can apply on your videos. You can type in a hashtag and it may suggest hashtags to boost your success with using hashtags on your content. These tools can also help you discover trending hashtags related to your hashtag. Once you use hashtags on your videos, you will notice that your audience reach will gradually grow. This is because of the hashtags that you use, and it can be searched by more people to discover content that uses that hashtag. If you need to use videos to go viral, we have a marketing app that can help you create videos, turn them into memes, and you can go viral every time. Memester is a breakthrough video marketing software that gives you a big budget reach without the budget. Create and syndicate viral watch bait videos that bring you higher reach, explosion in engagement, and more sales. Memester is a 3-step formula for massive growth online. Step 1 is to create your viral video. Turn your own videos into video memes. Step 2. Syndicate. Post and schedule video memes online on Facebook pages, profiles, or Twitter. Step 3. Watch as traffic pours in and your leads converted into customers, which increases your sales. Try Memester now. Go to the website URL memester.ion. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.